Okay, guys. So I wanted to do a brief walkthrough for you about how to do Grammarly. This is something that I really want all of you to do before you submit your papers. So when you first get into this, you're going to have something come up where it'll ask you to add it as an extension, and you should more or less say no because it won't let you do it on the Chromebooks anyways. But you can sign up. So I'm on my son's account who's never done this before. Let's see, let's start with Google first. Alright, so you'll click your name. We'll click it for schoolwork. Hit continue. We'll just assume probably spelling and grammar is his issue that he needs to work through. Okay. You guys will probably want to be informative for this particular paper. Okay, and we'll continue to Grammarly. Okay, you can do a quick tour if you want. I will skip it for now, but okay. What you want to do from this point, guys. Okay, so the first thing that's going to pop up is a basic thing of what things will look like. So, for instance, misspellings, you can click on that. The next thing it says effect, so you can click there. Now, I like to go through these, and keep in mind that Grammarly is not going to be infallible. Occasionally it's going to correct things and it still might not make perfect sense, so don't just go through this willy-nilly. Okay. What I would do after this is I would give this a quick look over. Okay. I think that all looks alright. Now, you don't have to go to premium, certainly. I have it because I use it all the time. Here's the document that I just did. Okay. I've deliberately put some mistakes in here so you can see again. PhD, change it to goal, not box, but books. Here I have an extra space that it will correct. Oh, and here is a big one that many people make. Okay. Then I want to go to premium. Okay, and it will catch all of those. All right, so that is how I would use Grammarly. I, again, really want you guys to send through your paper through this before you submit it to me. It will catch many mistakes. If you want to go to premium, it is slightly expensive, but if you plan to do a lot more writing in school, which you probably will, and especially in college, it might be something to look into in the future. But yeah, that's about all I have for this. So you guys just make sure that you're really carefully editing your paper, read it through a few times before you submit it, maybe with somebody else, and I look forward to seeing them